Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to talk about 1 spoon of Vaseline. If you are new here on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and then place the notification bell on. When I post my video, you'll be the first one to see my video. Don't forget to give me thumbs up if you like my video and comment down below. So today I want to talk about Vaseline. Can you imagine about Vaseline? Can you applying 1 spoon of Vaseline at night? Please keep watching this video and you will know what happened when you're applying 1 spoon of Vaseline at night. So I want to talk about this Vaseline. Vaseline has a lot of vitamin E. Vaseline helps to making your skin soft and help to making your skin very moisturized when you're using this Vaseline. Do you know why? Please, you need to try using Vaseline and you will see the changes from your skin and health of your body after you try using this Vaseline. But I want to telling you how the real way you can using this Vaseline when you're at home with no doubt. You can't even imagine. You will see what will happen when you try to using only 1 spoon. Then we need to have a black seed oil. Do you know black seed oil? Black seed oil is just an oil come from the black seed. This oil is so helpful for those who has a gas, who has diabetes, who has coffee, you have allergy, you have any kind of health issue. This black seed oil or black seed powder, it might helping you to cure all the problem which you have. Do you know how the way you can using this one? Even if you have ulcers, if you have anything, and if you have a bile fat, please you can just try to using black seed oil or black seed powder. It's so helpful for you. So keep watching my video. Also we need to have eucalyptus. This is an oil. The oil is so powerful. This oil is so nice for any kind of skin. This oil making your skin glowing and making your skin good. For this oil I will telling you better can using man or a woman. It's so nice. And this is my ginger. This is ginger, and ginger has a lot of vitamin, or also has some minerals. The mineral which it has inside the ginger, it's all about iron, potassium, magnesium, zinc and sodium. Also a vitamin which it has from ginger, only vitamin C. So you can see this is all the things which I'm using with 1 spoon of Vaseline to applying it to your body. You can't even imagine. You will see what will happen to your body. So keep watching my video and I will telling you how the way you can using 1 spoon of Vaseline when you're at home at night. So first of all, you need to taking a bowl, and this is my bowl as you see on my video, and then after that taking your Vaseline. As I talking about, we just needing only 1 spoon of Vaseline. So we're taking our 1 spoon of Vaseline as you see in my video. This is my Vaseline. And then after you taking Vaseline, as I putting it here on my bowl, then taking it out from your spoon, because you know sometimes not easy when you taking a Vaseline to a spoon is sometimes just getting this to the spoon. So you need better to taking it out by using your finger, or you can use something else which you have. And then after you finish taking it out, taking your ginger powder, as you see on my video, there's some people they can ask if they can using a ginger juice. You can even using a ginger juice if you having it, but if you don't have a ginger juice, you can using even a ginger powder as I'm using it here, because it is the same things. And then you can try mix it well as I mix it here. The way I mixing it, you need also to make this to mix the same as I mix it here. So make sure that when you're mixing it, your mixture becomes soft and smooth. Then after you finish mix it well your ginger, let me telling you what next. The next is we taking our black seed oil. If you have a black seed powder, you can using even black seed powder, but if you have a black seed oil, you can using even a black seed oil also too. So when you're using black seed oil, you can just putting only 1 spoon of black seed oil, but if you're using a black seed powder, you can using even same size as the way you're using a black seed oil. So you can just also putting 1 spoon of black seed powder, and then after you finish, try to mix it well as I mix it here. The way I mix, you need to mix it the same. And then after you think that it's already okay, you can take in your eucalyptus which you have. And then when you're taking this one, this oil is so powerful, and this oil is so strong, and this oil, the smelling of this oil also is very, very, very strong. So sure, you need to just only taking only a half or a peach oil of this eucalyptus oil, and then adding it into your mixture. So when you just adding it, try to mix it well, but your oil will have a smelling of eucalyptus, as you see on my video how the way I just mix, and then the smell. If you make it now, you can see even by yourself how much the smell is coming into your nose. So just try to mix it until you see that your mixture is ready and the mixture is okay and soft and smooth. Then after you just finish, mix it well, as you saw in my video. Now our remedies is ready for use. Who can using these remedies? You can using any woman who want to gaining the side fat, they want to gaining weight to their hips, they want to have a nice body, they can just try to using this oil. How the way you can using it, the way you can using this oil, the way like you just applying it and massage to your shape or to your hips, just massaging it just for few minutes or few seconds until your place becoming hot and becoming very, very, very hot. So and then after becoming very hot, and then you can stop massaging it. So just you can just massage maybe for 10 minutes, and then after 10 minutes of massaging your place, your buttock, your hips, and then you need to just doing a small exercise. The only exercise which you need to do, you can just going up and down just for another 10 minutes, and then you can go also at the same the way I showing you on the picture for 10 minutes also, and then you will see how the way it will work for you. For those who want to sagging and making their bursting nice, also they can using this oil. They can using this oil to applying it to their boobs by massaging it on the top of it. And then when you're massaging it, make sure that you be already wearing a bra, so when you are massaging it, your boobs will be very, very nice. And then after that, try to do a small exercise like just pushing your hand up and down for few minutes, and then after that you'll be already doing your exercise and making your boobs looking nice and sagging and tightening it. And then after that you can go and then washing it with warm water. Also, even your body, if you just applying it to your hips, also you need to washing it with warm water. So how many days you need to take in this oil? So you can take in this oil maybe for few days, like 7 days up to 21 days. It depends on how many days you will take by yourself to gain the things which you want, and then after 21 days you can stop using it. This remedy is so nice and anyone can using it when you at home, but make sure that when you're doing these remedies and when you applying this oil, make sure that you do a small exercise to make sure that you're getting the things which you want very easy and very fast. The oils help to gaining and improving for a woman to improve their part which they want to gain, to become very, very fast in gaining by using this oil. But there's some people they can use asking me if you can using oil without doing exercise, can you getting the things which you want? The answer is not easy to gaining a way to the right place which you want, because if you don't do exercise a little bit, also you need it will be already participate with this oil. You can gain very fast the things which you want to your buttock and to your hips by using this oil. That's why we said we need to, it's going together or with the small exercise. So just applying oil and just doing exercise on the same times, you can see the changes for the few days. So this is the way how you can using these remedies. Please, you need to restore this in any clean place which you have. Even you can just putting it into a bowl. It depends where you can just applying or just putting or restoring this oil. So I just prefer better you can just making it every day so you can have a pure one and nice one. So please, if you have any kind of health issue, maybe ulcers or maybe you have some allergy, please you need to consult your doctor before you try to using this oil for the better advice. Subscribe to my channel if you like my video and comment down below, and don't forget to give me thumbs up if you're liking it too. So see you next time, and my name is Cutie Flora. Bye bye.